If you currently have a Google Drive account and looking for a very easy way how to share files with your families and friends or someone you work with, it is very easy to do once you have a Google account. So you want to head over to google.com and of course sign into your Google account. Right now from here at the top right you can see the option that says Google Apps. Now you want to click on that and you want to search for Drive. So click on Drive. Now once you're inside the Drive you can easily go ahead and create a folder or just simply upload a file to share with someone. But I recommend to create a folder because you can organize those files very easily. So how do you go with creating that folder? On the upper left hand side you have a new button, so click on that and then from here you have the option that says folder. Other options here that says upload file and also upload folders. So if you have a folder on your computer you can also upload that folder directly and you don't have to create one on Drive. But if you don't have one already on your computer and you just want to create it on Drive, just simply click on new folder. Now from here you can name the folder, so I'm going to create this one, share with friends, right, for example, and then click on create and that folder will be created, and as you can see it's at the top. So I'm going to double click to open it. Now once I have this folder open I can upload whatever I want in that folder. So let's say I want to upload a few pictures, I can go ahead and I can upload a few pictures. Now on my computer here I have some pictures here. I'm going to just simply drag two of those pictures and upload to this folder, right? So let me drag them right into the folder there. As you can see it's going to upload and it's uploading on the lower right hand side, as you can see. Now how do I go about sharing this folder with my friends? I can simply click on the My Drive and you can see that it takes me back to where I have all my files and folders, right? So all I have to do now is just simply right click on that folder and choose share, and from here I can click on share or I can copy the link. I would suggest first clicking on share because it will give you more options. So once you click on share you have this extra pop-up here, and from here you can go ahead and type in the email address of whosoever you want to share that with, right? Or you can go ahead and you can change the general access. You can click on this drop down and you can just simply select the option that says with anyone or anyone who has that link. So if you want to make it easier for them by just giving someone the link, you can choose this option and then you can copy the link, and anyone who has this link from that you will copy from here, they'll be able to view the files and the folder. However, if you want to restrict this, you can go ahead and you can play around with the restriction. Of course, you can also modify the restriction when you give them the link by simply clicking this drop down beside view, and you can give them commenter, or you can also give them editors right so that they can add, organize, and even edit the files there, right? So let's say you want to just make it to people who have email address you want to ensure, and that's how you want to manage it. Go ahead and change this back right to restricted, and you want to add email addresses. So once you click on it, if those people send you some emails or you have a shared file with them in the past or whatever, it will populate email addresses. Now I'm going to select an email address here, and as you can see, once you enter that email address, it will either show the email or it will put the name there which contains the email address if you hover over it. Now all you have to do is just select whichever rights you want to give to them, and then all you have to do now is simply click on send. Now once you click on send, they will receive an email and they will be able to view whatever is inside that folder, and that's all there is to it. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.